nothing better than baking a batch of pecan pie bars. It's warm, it's comforting, it's super quick and easy to make, perfect to bring to any autumn gathering. Let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is make our shortbread style crust. All we have to do is combine flour, brown sugar, and then shortening together until it's all fine and crumbly. So we have a 7x11 pan. It's been lined with parchment paper and then sprayed with oil. This is just to really make sure our bars do not stick. We're going to spread the crust out evenly, and then I like to press down using another piece of parchment paper. This is just to make sure our hands don't get too messy. Pop this into the oven that's been preheated to 350. This bakes for 12 minutes until it is lightly golden, and it is time to go on to our filling. I'm using the same bowl that we used for the crust just because, less dishes. And we're going to crack in 2 eggs. We need a half cup of dark corn syrup. Now, if we were to measure this out into a cup and then add this to the bowl, it's just going to be one sticky mess. So I personally weighed this, so a half cup of corn syrup is equivalent to 150 grams. And this just again keeps it nice and clean and easy and the baking fun. Our other ingredients are some brown sugar, and then we're going to add a little bit of vanilla and salt. And last but not least, we have our chopped pecans. Give this a really good mix. Just as we're done mixing up our ingredients, the crust is finished. So we pour the filling on top, make sure your pecans are evenly distributed throughout, and it is time to do our last bake. It's still in the 350 oven for 25 minutes. Let this cool completely in the pan. If you want to serve it warm, just reheat it after. This makes 12 generous pieces. You are going to love this recipe. It's gooey, the pecans are a lovely crunch. I just love the warm, toastiness of the nuts throughout. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe because we have a lot more episodes of Fall in Love with Baking coming up. Bye!